How to add a page in Adobe Acrobat. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Click Edit a PDF and upload the file you want to add a page to. Once your file opens, look for the Organize Pages in the toolbar. It looks like a grid of small rectangles. Click it to open the Page Organizer view. Now, click the Insert button at the top. Then, choose Add a blank page. Boom! A new page appears. Want it somewhere specific? Click and drag it to move it wherever you want. Beginning, middle, end, your call. Click the Edit tab if you want to add text, images, or shape to your new page. Make it count. And instead of a blank page, you can also insert another PDF. And that's how you add a page to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Quick, clean, and super handy. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.